Okay everybody, look what I got in the mail today. Some goodies that I got for myself for Mother's Day. Now this was all planned. I saved towards this. I also have been anticipating doing a, what should we call it, maybe a splurge like this for quite some time, especially being a single mother. Well, growing up, what I saw is like a lot of mothers not really tending to their personal care, and I don't want to be that type of single mother. I want to take care of myself and then also take care of my son. So one way of doing that is looking after my external and internal health. So what I got here is the Mainstay Night Clay Treatment. This was a spur of the moment purchase. It was not on my buy list. I just saw it and put it in my cart. Yeah, I guess I saw something online prior to buying it, and these are the ingredients. And I think they had some kind of confusion over the instructions, but we'll get to that in another video. I got my favorite product from this line so far, which is the Marula Mura Moisture Guru. What it's about, instructions, the active ingredients. And I got, this is a new product from them, and this is the Natural Hair Ayurvedic Superfoods, and these are the claims below here, the benefits per se. And what I really bought it for is scalp health, because I tend to see a lot of focus on the hair shaft and the hair ends, but you don't really hear much, if not many, people talking about the hair roots and, you know, like a proper scalp treatment. So it's now becoming more popular to speak on those things, because ultimately scalp health equals hair health. And this is what the back of the packaging looks like. I love the packaging, by the way. It's just like paper, not plastic or anything. I don't know if the contents inside are stored in a plastic bag within this packaging, but so far I like the packaging. But I'll do a review on these in a separate video. Oh, and by the way, this is like a burnt mark that I got. Well, I got several of them. So the next items that I'm gonna show you is, they actually came in time for these, because I bought them and then this happened like a week later. So my skin is healing already nice on its own, and then like some days after the burn, I put some shea butter that I made myself, which I have a video on. Yeah, it's cleaning it up really nice, because the other burns that I got, well, let's just say that they took very long to heal, and that was when I was younger. So it's pretty interesting now that I'm older. My whatever abrasions, cuts, scrapes, burns I get, they heal very fast, and I think it has to do a lot with the fact that I use more natural products now, and also my diet. So we just left to see. Oh, and I also rub some sea moss gel on it as well. If you guys want to see how I make the sea moss gel, just let me know down in the comments. So now moving on to my highly anticipated buying. That's internalized, because I'm the only person who was anticipating it. Is Shea Terra Organics. Now I already can tell off the bat that it's going to be difficult for me to take these wrappings off, so I'll pause here, or I'll just rest it aside so that I can show you guys what I got in this entire package. Okay, so I have taken out all of the, well, apparently the reason why these were wrapped like that is because it's glass. I don't know if you guys can make, I'm doing everything to show you that it's glass. It is glass. It's glass. Yes, it is. So first off, this is the Moroccan Damask Rose Hydrosoul Steam Distilled Rose Water. My skin loves rose water and my hair loves rose water, so that's why I bought it. And that's why, like, the first set of skincare products that I got from Shea Terra were all rose, well, mostly rose based. So here's that. I got, let me tell you, this smells amazing, and it's not even open. It was the first thing I smelled when I unwrapped all of them. So these three came wrapped together, and it's amazing. It's glass as well, and it's the Madagascar Bourbon Geranium Organic Essential Oil. So I love that. Also, I got the Rose Hips Replenish face cream. Not really a fan of face cream, but I said, why not give this a try? And also, I thought this was larger than what I saw on the website. If you go on the website for yourself, you'll see what I mean. So just be sure to realize, just be sure to note that this is 2 ounces, and 2 ounces looks like 6 ounces, and the 6 ounces on the website looks like the 12 ounces. So there's that. And this one is the Shenilotic Coconut Sugar Whipped Butter Body Scrub, and this is fragrance free. I already have an essential oil to add to it anyway, so, and sometimes I just like my scrubs to be neutral. I also got the Ghana Gold cold pressed virgin shea butter, wild harvested, and this is what the back of the packaging says. So just give you guys a shot of what the packaging says. Now this jar isn't glass, but it is a very hard plastic. I almost thought it was glass. It's also very shiny. This one is plastic as well. See? You can squeeze it. And this is the back label of the geranium oil. And the back label of the face cream, and the back label of the Hydrosoul. So far so good. Basically the same information that's on the website. And then I got the African black soap, the original. That's the side. It's the back. And these are the ingredients, right? Just a short preview of all of the products. I'll get more in depth in another video. focusing more so on the ingredients, the details, how it worked on my skin and so forth. So it's just basically an unboxing. I also got the African Earth and Sea Face Mask Daily Detox. Right? This is back label. This is the rest of the back label. What interested me was the sickle, but I'll talk more about this ingredient sometime in the future. I also got the Rose Hips Black Soap Deep Pore Face Wash. The back label. Oh, and it says please recycle. I normally recycle my glass bottles, but I was doing some spring cleaning and I threw out a lot of glass bottles that had tonics in it. Don't do that. Try to save them. If you can get them sterilized, do so. Okay, this is the back label for, oh yeah, this is the free product that I got, you know, for the month of April. You got a discount code for 30% off of your entire purchase if you ordered over $75, and I got a free gift, and it was this. All I had to do was put free gift in the comment section, but you have to sign up for the newsletter to get all of this information, right? I was surprised that they had a cold press extra virgin chamomile oil. To be quite honest with you, and this isn't on the site. I looked, and it's not on the site. And this is interesting because I found out that I need chamomile, lavender, rose geranium based on my zodiac. Weird, but I never knew that, and I always gravitated towards those 3 scents, so that's quite interesting. And let me see, I think that's all of the full size products that I got. And also I got some samples here. And this one is the Andean Papaya Cold Press Extra Virgin Oil. Read about me online. I will. I guarantee you I will. I love papaya, and this is a lot for a sample, and you don't really get samples from most natural care companies. The most samples I ever got was like the Beauty Rewards program from Walgreens. Yeah, and I'm just finishing up those skincare products that they sent me. And mind you, I never bought skincare full size products from Walgreens. So just to show you. Anyways, now well, look here. I was looking up Kiglia on the Shea Terra website last night, and I did come across this. So maybe if I try this, maybe if I'll see if I like it and probably take it out my wish list if I don't. But I have high hopes for trying out this sample more than a lot of these products actually. Because Kaglia is also a beauty secret from Africa. Alright? And I know that means the whole continent, but I think it's East Africa, Somalia. Yeah, I think it's Somalia. Kiglia is a really good plant for the skin. And last but not least, the third sample is the Night Nourishment Nutrient Serum. I also looked at this, but I looked at this one the first time I went on the website because I was looking for a complete skincare routine. So I'll give this a try too. I think what I'll do is try the samples first, along with maybe like this soap, and see how it works. Maybe that's the plan. But anywho, thank you all for tuning in. This is a Mother's Day special, after Mother's Day special. But I'm still grateful for getting the products, because I mean, we're living in an uncertain world right now, and I'm grateful that these products even came to me as fast as they did. And yes, I'm going to utilize them, and yes, I hope that they work in synergy to help reduce all manner of stress, all manner of aging, all manner of negativity. Yes, I declare it, and so shall it be. And I have some other stuff that are like therapeutic that I want to show you guys, so stay tuned for that. I'll just do another impromptu like unboxing video to show you guys what I got, but then I'll definitely do an in-depth review of each and the demo and everything. So I mean, comment down below, tell me what items you are excited to see me try, what items you are excited to like see how it works on my skin, what you want to see from me in the future, what items from Shea Terra you would want to see me review in the future. Because another thing I realize is like this is a great company from like first impression and everything that I read on their website, and the extent to which the owner really cares about the customers. I mean, 3 samples and a free gift. Who does that? Who? You get discounts from other natural green beauty, let me say, companies, but I have never experienced customer service, fast shipping, samples without me having to ask, giving away products that aren't even listed on the website. I mean, it was a really good experience, and I'm not obsessed, but it automatically has me wanting to get more products from this company. Alright, and not to mention the packaging. Hello, glass, I love it. And most of their products are from Africa, and that's a big deal. So that's all I have to say about this brand so far. That's my first impression without even using even a drop of any of these products. So far, great ethical company so far in my books. And also Soultanicals, great company in my book as well. But it's time for me to transition from just focusing on my hair to now focusing on my skin. So we'll see what happens. Alright, I want to say thank you once again for watching my video. Stay tuned for more. I know I've been MIA, but this virus thingy, it has its pros and its cons, and I would like to focus on the positive here and say, I would say, if I'm being real, that it did push me to get this purchase done, because I mean, it's been quite some time, and I haven't even showed you guys what I got for my birthday. That's another video in of itself, but I was excited to show you guys this, and I had to do this video. Okay, so until next time, comment down below, give this video a like, subscribe, share if you care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.